day, guys. Hopefully for me it's going to be a good day. I've been fighting back and forth with this with the transmission system, also with the exhaust system on here. I had one of my friends put the exhaust system on here locally, previous video of that. Everything was great, man. He actually did an awesome job as far as putting the exhaust in how it's supposed to be. But I think he forgot that when I was talking to him, I told him that I didn't want the my mufflers and exhaust to come out straight out the back of the barn doors here in Blue Ash. For one reason was that all of that noise and stuff would travel straight through the back of the barn door, and unfortunately the missus don't like my loud truck, so I wanted to have them flared out behind the rear tire, and I had mentioned it to him or whatever, but I had to go run an errand, and by the time I came back it was done. I mean, it looked really good and it was done, so I didn't want to sweat the pettiness and stuff, and I was still happy with it. So I decided to take it home and start driving it, and it drives great. The only other thing was I told him that you have to use this red silicone because I got some special foes when you hook up the exhaust stand. I got some special couplings that you need to put silicone on it, or it's going to be like either vapor lock or it's going to be, the engine's going to be reading too lean and stuff. It's going to be sucking. So anyway, I need to get that fixed as well. So I'm taking it over to my buddy Mick. That's who normally does all of my exhausts anyway, over at Mufflers and More. And we're gonna see if he's in this morning. I've been going back and forth because we had an appointment for Wednesday, but I believe we got mixed up with the dates, and so I was off this Wednesday. Well, I wasn't off, but I was coming in a little late to work, and I was able to stop by there Wednesday. Just like this morning, I still have to go to work, but I get up early enough to go over there, and since I'm on modified hours, we should better get this stuff done before it's time for me to go in. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, and hopefully, no, not hopefully, I know we're gonna have a good day today, and we're gonna see some good footage, and I'll get back with you guys whenever we get started on this muffler system. All right, guys, we just got here stuff, and we already got the truck up on the lift, and we're about to start doing my modifications to my truck here, fixing the exhaust so they'll go out the side. And I can actually show you what I'm trying to do here. And while he's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and hook up my backup camera. It's right here. Hook up my backup camera, and so I'm about to hook up the backup camera while he's doing my exhaust. You can see that little dot there. This truck is kind of hard to back up with no lights or anything. It got a lot of blind spots, and I'll show you guys where I'm gonna hook up the backup camera, and also where I'm gonna do the exhaust, because it's kind of loud right now, coming straight off the back, and the fumes is going up to the back of my cab. So I'm gonna have the pipes twisted here. I'm gonna have the pipes twisted here, and they're gonna go straight out that way, out the back tire on both sides. This is gonna come down and go straight that way. So it'll probably come down here and start go that way and stuff. And then I got my camera here, and this pipe here is gonna be fine, but we're gonna have to cut this because this is kind of close to my wires, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna have them bend it out this way and then come straight back. It's just a little modification, but I think it's gonna work out good. No leaks underneath here, so I think we're gonna be good. All right, guys, so let me know what you think. You think that's gonna be a good modification and stuff? Write a link down and below, write a description down below, and let me know if there's a thumbs up or if you would have just left it like it was. But I think it's gonna be smart over time, because like I said, those fumes are coming up the back of the cab and back of my barn doors, and I can smell it. So I think this will be better, and plus it'll kind of quiet the noise down a lot too. So I'll get back with you guys halfway once we start welding this stuff up. So we actually move that thing away from all those wires up in there. Now I got plenty of room. That's what you want. Make hard at it. This way, right underneath there. I'm hoping that's where my little exhaust leak is at. I had to put some of that red silicone on there, and that way I can get rid of that code. I'm hoping. Except it's just so tight. If you need me to do something, holler. Oh, come on. Time to get a new blade.
That's just gonna be fine, or you want me to do something different?
I mean, does it fly? Can we do it from? Let's look on the other side. See how it's gonna look like that, because I can't really see it from.
Well, you can have
Yeah, I think that's gonna be good. Go back some. Let me just see. Yeah, I like that.
Video and trying to learn something?
I'm trying to learn something. That look like it's out of.
Okay, well, just be patient here for a minute. I'm looking.
Okay. So right now we're actually measuring this side so to be even with the other side, and we already got the other side up. See how they're coming out the side now. I like that. And then this side here is done. Now I got them sticking out the side so we won't get fumes and stuff up inside the back of the barn doors.
Look right there, boys. I mean, we're pretty close.
That's it right there.
You think so?
I mean, I thought it was should come down some in the back, but I think that's.
Huh? Needs to go in a little? Yeah. It's not measuring that way.
No, yeah, they look good. I think they're even. I'm happy. I guess you know that's the finished product right here. Hopefully that's not all that fumes coming in the back. All right, guys. Hey, we just got through basically putting those my mufflers on my panel truck on the Blue Ash, and I think that's gonna work out a lot better than what it was. She already sound really good. She still sound beefy and everything, but so I just was afraid. I just didn't want all those fumes coming up from the back, and it was a little loud and stuff. You know, unlike my 47 here, you know, I want her loud and everything. So I think that's gonna work out good. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me this evening, and we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, and I get with you guys on the next video. And just make sure you like, subscribe, and share this channel so we can continue making good product. And hey, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos that I'm putting out and stuff. Everything seemed to be coming really well and good with the channel, and also with the builds and stuff. So I put a lot of effort and work trying to put, you know, get good content to put out there for you guys. So comments down below, any questions you may have about my builds, anything you guys want to know, I'll be happy to share with you guys. And like I always tell people, if you got a good cigar, fast truck, or a car, smoke them if you got them, baby.